Hello and welcome to the body shop at Market Raise in Duckworth. Today we have this customer's Land Rover Defender in for gloss black bonnet to match the wing mirror and the roof. Also the full front bumper and the full rear bumper are going gloss black as well. If this is something you would like to have done on your used or new vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch or pop in to see what we can do.
The team take great care removing the bonnet, the front bumper and the rear bumper. The correct grade of sanding disc is chosen, depending on the project being undertaken. The bumper elements are textured and are sanded ready for the primer to be applied. The mixing of the primer and paints are done with the help of our state-of-the-art mixing machine, which allows us to match any make, model or color. An anti-static gun is used to eliminate any static charge which could cause paint defects. Next, a grip adhesion spray is used, which prevents paint lift on plastics. The primer is then applied to the bumper parts. This is the first of 3 coats for this project. This leaves the parts with a smooth surface ready for the paint to be applied. This next project we join as it's being prepared for spraying. The damage has been repaired and primed, ready for the paint to be applied. Preparation and masking is vital. Great care and time is taken by the team. The paint is then prepared. The state-of-the-art machine ensures we get the exact paint color every time for any make, model or color. The anti-static gun is used again, to ensure all static is removed, for a great paint finish, without defects. The first coat of paint is then applied. An airline panel dryer is then used to help the paint cure, ready for the next coat. The final stage is to prepare the clear coat. This is measured out in the same way as the paint. Once the application of the clear coat is applied, the booth is heated up to help the clear coat harden. Once dry, the vehicle wrapping and masking is removed, making it ready for the final stages. final stages are to sand the blend between the old and new paint. This is then followed by a machine polish. The process is completed with a final buff. Our body shop here at Duckworth Market Rasen is available to everyone. If you are thinking of changing the look of your vehicle or have a paint repair that needs looking at, give our team a call, or drop by with your vehicle, we will be happy to give you an estimate.